So this is pound yen analysis for Monday the 3rd of September. Now let's just have a look on prices and where prices may likely go. So we've had price come towards this 45.50 here. We weren't able to hold and have the continuation towards that 146. What we did instead see was a breakdown towards 45.11. Brief consolidation before breaking beyond the 45.11 and that 44.78. Take us down towards this 44.36. Another consolidation around 44.36. Breakdown. Consolidation around 43.78. We do appear to be breaking down from that 43.78. Currently we're testing that 43.19 here on the pound against the yen. So if we do fail to hold 43.19, the very next level of note is 42.80, 142, and if we do see sufficient volatility to bring us beyond the 142, the very next level of note is of course that 140.75 before we possibly target that 140 here on the pound against the yen here on Monday the 3rd of September. If however we do find support around this 43.19 or the 42.80, we're looking for a retest of 43.78. We had this brief consolidation, successful break from which we're then looking for price head towards 144.36, 144.78, and if we do see sufficient volatility to the upside to bring us beyond the 144.78, we're looking for a test of that 145.11 here on the pound against the yen. Beyond 145.11, of course, we've got the most recent highs here in around that 145.50. What we'll do now is have a look here at the monthly chart. So on the monthly chart, we get scaling here, correct? And as we can see more recently, we have decided to see a bit of a pullback. We were trending slightly to the upside, but we've seen a somewhat break out of trend. We've seen a bit of a turnaround. We have a case of lower highs. We've seen that continued sell side momentum here, punctuated by a couple of pullbacks here and there. So we'll see if we do get a bit more follow through here in September to the upside before seeing further sell side momentum continue here on the pound against the yen. More recently, the trend has been to the downside. So any moves to the upside, we should remain cautious. Overall, we do appear a bit weak here on the pound against the yen. What we'll do now is have a look here at the weekly chart. So on this weekly chart, we can see here our highs, lower highs still. So that sell side momentum down towards that 140, had a brief recovery in towards that 145, and we do appear to be pulling back slightly from this 145 as indicated by this wick. So we could see a bit more follow through here to the downside if we do see that sell side momentum continue, possibly back down towards that 142 or even that 141 level. And if we don't find support there, we may even see a retest of our previous lows in around that 140 on the pound against the yen. And finally, we'll have a look here at the daily chart. So on this daily chart, we can see we found that support in around that 140. Had this consolidation, sharp acceleration to the upside, brief consolidation, further strong bullish buy side momentum taking us above that 145.11. But we were not able to hold above that 145.11. We did see was sell side momentum come back into the market. Further sell side momentum followed. We weren't able to see a flag and continuation to the upside. What we did instead see more recently now is a gap down in the market. Brief rally rejected. We do appear poised for further sell side momentum on the pound against the yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.